Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can add payment methods in Webnode. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just go to right top corner in your settings and then just click here online store, and then you're gonna see payment methods and click setup. Right here you have a PayPal, wire transfer, or you can also add a new payment method. And like you can choose wire transfer, cash, or credit card, Stripe. It really is up to you. Or choose a PayPal. And now PayPal name, PayPal account, payment name, You can choose the price. So if you if he needs to also pay a fee, tax rate, and just click save. And this is how you can add various payment methods in Webnode. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.